Hey guys, welcome to our channel, The Unboxers.
Today we are going to unbox the all new Leaf headphones.
It's an affordable premium quality headphone set.
So now we are going to start the unboxing.
My cousin here is opening the box with the help of that knife.
But he's damn slow.
He's even slower than a sloth.
ओ भाई मारो मुझे मारो मारो मुझे मारो मारो नहीं ये मजाक हो रहा है एक सेकंड यार
So the box is about to open. Let's see
Finally.
what's inside it.
Fast.
Yeah, let's see it.
This is the box of Leaf headphones.
It's impressive. Now we're going to show you the features in detail,
Yeah.
but you have to wait. We're going to show you the glimpses of the box.
So the features are sports friendly, hands free mic and call, voice assistant. It's also lightweight and it's having a fast fuel rechargeable battery and it's a stereo sound.
What's
It's
the
also
meter?
a deep bass headphones. It is having 25 hours battery.
It's beautiful. It's a piece of art.
Yeah, you can see the box. The box itself is very beautiful. So just imagine how the headphones would look.
You don't need to imagine because in a matter of minutes or seconds you would be able to see.
The product.
You don't need to complete my
Now we
Yeah.
are going to open the box.
Yeah, so my brother is taking out the headphones.
Oops, that fell out. And
This is the
now-
packet in which we get aux cable and USB cable and some documents.
Okay. Now we're going to open the wire up and show you its length.
Yeah, this is the aux cable. Yeah, you can see how long it is.
That's long. I don't think that you're able to see the texture, but it's really fibrous and it's really tough. It's not cheap plastic.
Yeah, here's the charger.
This is the USB cable. The quality is okay.
This is long too.
I think the quality is great. Well, it's ordinary,
Now
but still.
we should come on the main product.
The Leaf headphones.
Yeah, this is the brand name, Leaf.
That's the logo.
We just focused on it to make it look cooler. Uh-oh, bullets.
The best thing is that these headphones are crafted in India.
And these are quite comfortable and stretchable. They're quite soft at the back and can extend.
And they are easily adjustable.
Just look at their flexibility. It's wonderful.
Terrific.
They're pretty tough too.
They won't break easily.
And that's a plus point.
These headphones are just terrific.
Now we should move on. Now in this package we get some documents, which is first the warranty registration card. Second, we get a review card which we need to post on Facebook and Instagram.
I can put many points on that review card.
Now we get a user manual in which the product overview, setup, charging controls, modes, attention, specifications are given.
So now we are going to look for more specifications.
But first, let's get a closer view of the headphones.
So now we're going to tell you about the buttons which are there on the headphones.
There are 3 in number.
How we are going to turn the Bluetooth.
So when we hold the center button for a long time, the Bluetooth turns on.
And the light also turns on, which is an indicator.
After some time, the light will start blinking, which
Which
means
indicates that it is ready to pair.
Yes. With a phone or a laptop,
there was
whatever
no
you
need to
have.
interrupt me in between.
So now we have some more buttons, that is the volume up and the volume down buttons.
We need to press it for a while so that we can get the volume up and down. We need to press long to change the song or the video. We need to press the center button once to play or pause the video, and then we can turn it off by pressing it for a long time.
The-
This is the aux port.
So now we're going to show you how to pair it with your phone.
So now on the phone we are getting the leave first option.
And we're going to pair the headphones. There.
Make sure that the blue light is blinking while you're pairing it with your phone.
Otherwise, the name would not appear and it would be a waste of time.
Yeah, true.
Now let's use it by putting in aux cable.
It's a retro mode if your headphones are not charged.
Still feels like a first night together.
So now we're going to explain you about an app known as Magic Pin.
It is an amazing app and we used this app to get a voucher to get the headphones at a much reasonable price. It
Yeah.
even contains the IDs of several people around us. It keeps refreshing.
You can also play different games to get magic points, and they are even more fun.
They are easy to play.
So why do we need magic points? We need magic points to get the vouchers that we will use to get our items as like clothes or headphones at a reasonable price. And the good thing is that the pages keep refreshing to keep us updated.
Now we can search different outlets so that we can scan the bill and get the magic points.
So every time you get a bill from a store, then you can scan it so that you can get some magic points.
So we have searched Puma right here.
So it will show all the outlets near you.
Oh,
Now
that's
you
our
can
rocking
use
chair.
the camera.
We didn't have a bill right now. That's why we just showed you our rocking chair.
Yeah. You see how wonderful the app is.
Now from this section you can redeem the magic points.
And get the vouchers you want. So this is the profile page and you can edit it whenever you want. So we'll put our referral code in the description and you'll get 100 points if you use that.